Hi friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss first problem in exercise 5.1 in quadratic equations of 10th class mathematics. Right? So before doing this problem, friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel, those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let's discuss this problem. Yes. See, this is the first problem in exercise 5.1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. Here, 8 problems have given. Let's discuss one by one, right? So, this is the first one in the first problem. X plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So, we have to check this one is quadratic equation or not. Actually, what is the general form of the quadratic equation? Yes, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, right? So, if it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, then it will be quadratic equation, otherwise not the quadratic equation, right? Yeah, let us check. See, given here x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Solution. So, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Right, yeah. Now, it is in the form of a plus b whole square now. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So, write according to that. X square plus 2ab means 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square is equal to here on right side. Multiply with 2. 2 into x minus 3 means 2 into x, 2x minus 2 3s are 6. Right, next this is x square plus 2 into x, 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6, right? Here 2x minus 6 transfer into this side, right? Yeah, this is x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6. Plus 2x will become as minus 2x, minus 6 will become as plus 6. Whenever if you transfer into this side, that is equal to 0, right? Here plus 2x and minus 2x get be cancelled or not? Yes, exactly. So, remaining part is x square plus 1 plus 6 is 7 is equal to 0. Now, it is also can be written as x square plus 0 into x plus 7 equal to 0. Now, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 here. A means 1, b means 0 and c means 7. Now it is the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then given equation is a quadratic equation. Therefore, given equation is quadratic equation. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, this is the second one. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. We have to check this one is quadratic equation or not, right? Yeah, see, here this is x square minus 2x is equal to, here 3 minus 2 is there, 3 minus x is there. With minus 2 multiply this one. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Minus into minus plus 2 into x, 2x. Right, yeah, now these both transfer into this side. X square minus 2x. Here minus 6 will become, if you transfer into this side, plus 6 and plus 2x will become minus 2x is equal to 0. Right. So, this is x square minus 2x minus 2x. Yes, minus 4x. Minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 6. Right. So, therefore, given equation is quadratic equation. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, this is the third one. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. We have to check this one is a quadratic equation or not. Yes, let us check. Solution. Take x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3, right? Now multiply these both. X into x, x square plus x into 1, 1x. Minus 2 into x, minus 2x minus into plus minus 2 ones are 2, right, is equal to again on right here RHS also let us multiply x into x square plus 3 into x 3x minus 1 into x is minus x minus into plus minus 1 3 is 3. Understood about multiplication? Yeah. Next that is equal to here x square plus x minus 2x will become is exactly minus x, here minus 2, that is equal to x square plus 3x minus x plus 2x minus 3, right? Yeah. Now all these three terms transfer into this side, so x square minus x minus 2, here plus x square will become minus x square plus 2x will become minus 2x minus 3 will become plus 3 is equal to 0, isn't it? Yeah. Here plus x square minus x square get be cancelled. Next minus x minus 2x, yes, minus 3x minus 2 plus 3, how much? Minus 2 plus 3, yes, plus 1 is equal to 0. See here final terms are minus 3x and plus 1. Here not there x square term. Not there x square term. That's why this is not the quadratic equation. This is not the quadratic equation. This is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, given equation is not a quadratic equation. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. This is the fourth one in the first question, right? X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. First multiply these both. X into 2x, 2x square plus x into 1, 1x. Here minus 3 into 2x, yes, minus 6x minus into plus minus 3 into 1, 3 is equal to here multiply with the x, this one. X into x, x square plus x into 5, 5x. Understood? Now all this transfer to this side. 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 minus x square minus 5x is equal to 0. Here x square plus 5x will become minus x square minus 5x. Why? Because it is transferred to this side, right? Yeah. Now see, 2x square minus x square will become x square only, right? Next, see here, minus values 2 minus x values are there, minus 6x minus 5x will become minus 11x plus x, yes, minus 10x. Next, minus 3 is equal to 0. Now it has x square term, right? So now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 now. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10 and c is equal to minus 3. Therefore, given equation is a quadratic equation. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Now fifth one, 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. We have to check this one is a quadratic equation or not. Let us check. Yeah. See, solution. This one 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1, right? Now multiply these both and multiply these both. In LHS we have to multiply, in RHS also we have to multiply. 2x into x, 2x square, plus into minus minus 2x into 3, yes, 6x. Minus 1 into x, minus into minus plus 1 3 is a 3 is equal to. So on LHS we have multiplied, right? Yeah, RHS also multiply. X into x, x square, plus into minus minus x into 1 is 1x plus into plus plus, 5 into x is 5x, plus into minus minus, 5 ones are 5. Now transfer all these to LHS, right? Yeah, this is 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3 minus x square minus, here plus x square will become minus x square, minus x will become plus x, plus 5x will become minus 5x, minus 5 will become plus 5 is equal to 0. Isn't it? Yeah. Now simplify. 2x square minus x square is x square. See, positive, how many values are there here? Minus x is there, plus x is there. Both get cancelled now. Yes, minus 6x minus 5x. Yes, minus 11x. Plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 0. See, x square minus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of, yeah, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 11 and c is equal to 8. So, given equation is quadratic equation. Understood? Therefore, given equation is a quadratic equation. Understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Now, sixth one, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. See, solution, take this one, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So, this is x square plus 3x plus 1 as it is, write down. Now, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Yeah, here a square means x square minus 2 into ab. AB no, a minus b whole square. AB means here a means x and b means 2 plus b square means 2 square. Right, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, this is x square minus 4x plus 4. Right, see, this expression transferred to this one. This side, x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So, if you transfer it this side, these whole values, the symbols will change it or not? Yes, right? See here, plus x square minus x square can be cancelled. Next, plus 3x plus 4x will become 7x, right? 1 minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. Here, not there x square term, right? There is no ax square term. That's why it is not a quadratic equation. Therefore, this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, given equation is not a quadratic equation. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, this is the seventh one. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2 into x square minus 1. Let us check it is a quadratic equation or not. Solution. Take x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1, right? Yeah. So, now it is in the form of a plus b whole cube, right? A plus b whole cube. What is the formula for a plus b whole cube? Yes, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Let us divide like this one. A cube means x cube plus 3 into a square, x square into b means 2. Right, this is a and this is b, no? Yeah. Plus 3 into a means x into b square means 2 square plus b cube is equal to 8 cube. Sorry, 2 cube. Right? Yeah. It is equal to, so we on RHS multiply this 2x into x square, 2x cube minus 2x into 1, 2x. Right? Yeah. Again write down this one, x cube plus 3 2s are 6 x square plus 2 square means 4. 4 3s are is 12x plus 2 cube means 8 is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. Isn't it? Yes. X cube. Now these two terms transfer into this side. X cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 minus 2x cube plus 2x. So did you observe the symbols? If you transfer to this side, the symbols will be changed, right? Is equal to 0. Right, here x cube minus 2x cube. How much? Yeah, minus x cube. Next, plus 6x square. Another x square is there? Not there. So plus 6x square. Next, 12x plus 2x plus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. So here from this onwards means this is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here onwards means this is a quadratic equation. But extra x cube term also is there. X cube term also there. Here its a degree is 3. So that's why it is not a quadratic equation. Understood clearly? Yes. So this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, given equation is not a quadratic equation. Understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Yes, next this one, 8th one. This is the final problem in the first question, right? Yeah. This is x cube minus 4x square plus minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. Right? Yes, take solution. We have to check this is a quadratic equation or not. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. Here clearly it has given. Next here, this is in the form RHS, this is in the form of a minus b whole cube, right? Yeah. So a minus b whole cube means what is the formula? Yes, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Isn't it? Now a is a, x and b is 2, right? A minus b whole cube. Right. Now divide and write down. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 on LHS. I have written what has given, right? On RHS divide like the applying the formula. A cube means x cube minus 3 into a square x square. Here b means s2 into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square minus b cube 2 cube. Have you understood clearly how to apply the formula? Right. Now I can write down x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, this is x cube minus 3 2s are 6x square plus 3 2 square means 4 4 3s are 12x minus 2 cube means 8. Right. This whole expression transfer into this side. So if transfer into this side, the symbols will be changed. We know very well about that, right? Yeah. Now this is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 minus x cube plus 6x square minus 12x plus 8 is equal to 0. Why? Why it has 0? Why? Because we transfer into this side now. Yeah. So now plus x cube minus x cube can be cancelled. Minus 4x square plus 6x square will be, yes, 2x square. Next, minus x and plus minus 12x is exactly minus 13x. Plus 1 plus 8 is plus 9 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 13 and c is equal to 9. So given equation is a quadratic equation. Understood? Therefore, given equation is a quadratic equation. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.